Hey, welcome back to another video of eText. In this video, we are going to learn how to change language in Character AI. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in character.ai and click on Enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, click on the profile icon, which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. From the options here, click on the Settings. Make sure that you are selecting Preferences tab. Now you will see a language option. As default, it will be in English. Click on the drop-down menu and select a language from here. After selecting a language, you need to refresh your page, and your language will be changed. To revert back in, you can simply go to the Settings and Preferences tab and select the language from here. Make sure that you need to reload. So that is how you can change language in Character AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.